वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो आज का टॉपिक है बीसीजी मैट्रिक्स। तो बीसीजी मैट्रिक्स का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? बॉस्टन कंसल्टिंग ग्रुप मैट्रिक्स। और ये डेवलप कब हुआ था? इन द ईयर 1968 बाय द बॉस्टन कंसल्टिंग ग्रुप as a strategic management tool to help businesses analyze and categorize their product portfolios based on market share and market growth. तो BCG मैट्रिक्स क्या होता है? इट प्रोवाइड्स अ विजुअल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ कंपनीज प्रोडक्ट पोर्टफोलियो, allowing management to allocate resources and make strategic decisions based on the different characteristics of each category. It helps businesses balance their portfolio, invest wisely, and ensure long term sustainability. But we have to keep in mind that the status of the products in the matrix can change over time due to shifts in the market conditions, the consumer preferences, and the product life cycle also. So let us see the BCG matrix. Now here we have two axes, the market growth and the market share, in which there are four parameters: the star, question marks, cash cows, and dogs. Stars: products in the category have high market share in a high growth market. Both the axes will have high as parameters. Then low and high. High market growth but low market share are question marks. Products in the category have low market share in a high growth market. Then we have cash cows, in which the market growth is low but it has high market share. Products in this category have a high market share in a low growth market. Then we have dogs. Product in this category have a low market share in a low growth market. Now let us see stars in detail. Stars. So what are stars? Basically these are the superhero products which are strong and growing. They are the products or services with a high market share in a market that is booming or growing. So stars require significant investment to maintain and increase market share. They are expected to generate high returns but may also consume a lot of resources. As the market grows, stars have the potential to become cash cows. They have a higher market share, meaning a lot of people like them, and they are in the growing market, so their popularity is also rising. So, what will the strategy be? So, invest in them, help them become even more powerful because they are the future winners. Here we can take example of like Samsung smartphones, like Samsung Galaxy S series smartphones. They can be considered as stars in the BCG matrix because they have high market share and high market growth. It is a rapidly growing smartphone in the market, and Samsung needs to heavily invest in these devices and introducing new features and technology to maintain their competitive edge. Then we come to question marks. The products in this category have low market share in a high growth market. So, question marks require careful consideration. They are in a high growth market, but their low market share may require additional investment to increase it. And the goal here is to turn the question marks into stars or eventually phase them out if don't have the potential to become successful. The strategy here should be to decide whether to invest more to help them grow into stars or to be careful because they might not make it. So it needs a very strategic decision to decide because they have a low market share and high growth. Here we can take example of the Samsung's smartphones, which are the Galaxy Z Fold and the flip phones. So these can be question marks as the market has a high growth potential, but the market share of the flip and foldable phones is comparatively very low compared to the normal smartphones we use. So Samsung might need to decide whether to invest more to capture a larger market share in the foldable smartphone market. So this can be a big question mark to the company. Then we come to cash cows. So what are cash cows? Cash cows can be products that have established dominance in their market but are in a market with limited growth. They are considered reliable and generate significant cash flow. The strategy for cash cow is typically to maintain their market share and harvest profits. So they have a big fan base, but the market they are in isn't growing much anymore. Market strategy, what will the strategy be? Milk them. They might not be growing, but they bring a lot of cash to the business. So keep them going and use the money for other things. Cash cows are the products that require less investment in terms of marketing and development compared to the newer products like Amul has Amul butter, which is a well established name in the butter category. People would always prefer buying Amul butter. So, Amul butter is cash cow for the company Amul. And for the company Apple, even the MacBook, it has a solid and loyal customer base. So, Apple continues to generate significant revenue from MacBook sales also, as the product requires less investment in terms of marketing and development compared to the newer products. Now, let us move to dogs. The products in this category have a low market share in a low growth market. So, dogs are products that neither have a strong market share nor are in a high growth market. They may not be significant contributors to the overall success of the business. The strategic options for dogs are to improve their position, harvest, that is, reduce investments, or divest, that is, to phase out, or just to quit producing those products. Consider letting them go, they might be holding you back if they are not going to be winners. So, focus on the ones that can. So, this is basically the meaning of dogs, to avoid the products which are not giving you neither profits nor a good market share, nor people actually need it in the market, and there is no proper demand for it. Here we can take example of like the MP3 players and like the iPod Classic, which was discontinued because of the rising popularity for smartphones like iPhones and all the other smartphones which came up. So basically the strategic decision was to phase out iPod and focus more on innovative and profitable products. This is what Apple did. Thank you so much for watching. I will soon be uploading a lot more MBA marketing related videos. If you find my videos useful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.